dancing without no bounce.
Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. As you can see, we've already started here.
Hidetoshi Nakata, I think, will be an interesting player to watch in this, Peter. A great all-round midfielder who loves to just hold those central positions.
A trailblazer, one of those modern-day playmakers, all action, covers so much ground, doesn't he? More than just a number 10.
He does. I mean, he does so many things well in his game that he's respected throughout the world.
Now it's Ibrahimovic. Ibrahimovic plays it out to the flank. Oh, sweet feet. Nakata. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Arsenal with a chance to counter-attack now. Chip through. And it's Walcott. Whipped in. Towering header! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Paris Saint-Germain can defend those situations better by stopping the crosser at source.
Ibrahimovic played out to the right, right through the middle. Walcott plays it forward. Gasil. Quick glance at goal.
Lovren just did a brilliant job there. It was one of those all-or-nothing commitments, and he came up trumps.
Nakata. Breaks on here. It's a promising ball. Oh, the whistle's gone. What's he given? No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area. And no surprise, that's a booking.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. And obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Sonic with the clearance. Plays it back. And here's Walcott. And it's Pogba. Ibrahimovic. Maradona. Nakata. Ukulu gets his foot in there. Nakata was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. And there's the end of the first half. So neither team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. Interesting game up to now, still goals. Good cap on the first 45 minutes.
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
And after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. The game has already resumed here. 0-0 then, and we're back on the way. Bernardeschi conjuring up some magic on the right-hand side. Gorgeous control there. It's a brilliant interception. Cross out on the left, now. Soric positions himself well and cuts it out. And it's Ibrahimovic. And that's sprayed out wide. A really good feat. Pellegrini. He has it out wide now. Zappacosta drills one in. Forward it goes. Ake gets it forward. Very little to report from an attacking perspective. Jim, it's a cagey old game.
Yeah, I think it's a scoreline in keeping with what we've seen up to this point. Combined attempts at goal aren't high in numbers, and we could do with something to spark this contest in the light.
And here's Ibrahimovic. He could be shot at goal! Yes, it's there! That could turn out to be a huge, huge goal! Oh, high-quality goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. Paris Saint-Germain draw first blood here.
Well, when the going gets tough, etc., they can still turn this round, I think.
Now it's Ibrahimovic. Bernardeschi! Oh, that should have been two.
Bernardeschi was totally aware of how that chance could have impacted on the game, and that should have gone in.
Mordas. He's looked long this time. Played into space out wide. Bernardeschi.
Paris Saint-Germain probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
And it's played forward. And it's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Lovely. Pellegrini. So that's it. It is all over. So it ends 1-0. An enthralling game and an agonisingly narrow defeat.
I've been in this position myself, and this will be difficult to